And she had a heart attack and she died. And that changed my life.
Don't do it. But I feel like, all jokes aside, let me get my serious Eddie face on. Your story is so motivational, so inspirational for me that I feel that you owe your gift to the world to let them know your story, because there's somebody watching out there right now that needs to hear what you have to say. And if you can change somebody's life, then your legacy, your story is written. And if you can do
What was the
that,
question?
the question was, who was Jessica?
Jessica was someone that I worked with. She was a makeup artist. She was amazing. And she had a daughter. Mine and her daughter were best friends. They were best friends since they were born. She was at my house the night before she died. And she died.
How?
She had a heart attack.
Where?
Walking her daughter home from school. In front of her daughter.
And you have daughters. Like, did you see yourself as Jessica?
Possibly.